All right. So when we're dealing with inequalities on both sides, that means you're going to have a variable on both sides. So I use this example because we're going to read it, write it, work it. For less than, when you see less than, it means flip flop. So less than is flip flop, because when you write this, it's -4. Three times the number. So 3x minus 4. 4 less than 3 times the number is 3 times the number minus 4. Is greater than 2 times the number minus 1. So 2x minus 1. Less than, flip-flop. Greater than, flip-flop. If they have to use 2 words to say it, like minus is just minus. Less is just that. But when you say 4 less than 3, 2 words, flip the order. It's not 4 minus 3x, it's 3x minus 4. So this means take this and flip the order. Okay? And now we can solve. First thing you need to do, the only thing really, your goal. We're getting to a point, because you are pre-AP and we've worked a lot with equations and inequalities, you know what to do, and there's no longer a specific order you have to do it. Your goal is for variables to be on one side and numbers on the other. There's no specific do subtraction first, do division. You have to do adding and subtracting first. You do have to do that, but y'all know that. So if it were me, I choose to keep my variables on the side where the variable is bigger. So between 2x and 3x, which one's bigger? 3x. So I'm going to minus the 2x from both sides. If I have 3 x's and I take away 2 x's, how many x's do I have left?
1 x.
So I'm just going to put plain x. And then minus 4 greater than minus 1. That's a -1. So that's step 1. Step 2. I don't want to say steps because, again, it could be very fluid. I need this x to be by itself. So what is the opposite of minusing 4? So I'm going to positive 4 or add 4 to both sides. So that leaves me just x. Did I divide by a negative? No. So I keep this sign. And then -1 plus 4, positive 3. So it's x is greater than 3 on my number line. I have 2, 3, 4. Open or closed? Open circle. Because it's not or equal to. So it can't be 3. 2, 3, 4. Is 2 greater than 3? No. Is 4 greater than 3?
Yes.
So I'm going to shade this way. Now, remember, the big rule here is if you divide or multiply, if you multiply or divide by a negative on both sides, flip inequality over. Everything else is just like an equation, except for that.